Hi, this is Heather Fiore, and this is my Module 1 intro for EDL 854. I am from Vineland, New Jersey. I am married for almost 20 years now, and a mother of four, three girls and a boy. I have been a media specialist for 23 years. I work for the Vineland School District. I have worked across grade levels from elementary to middle and currently at high school level. I am on the school planning team at the high school level. I have been a class advisor, club advisor, cross-country coach. I've done numerous different activities. This current year, I just stuck to doing club advising and the school planning team just because I was in for my classes and I needed the extra time. I also am a driving instructor after school hours. I take 16-year-olds out to teach them how to drive to get their permit. So why do I want to go into administration? I think with 23 years experience, I've seen a lot. I've learned a lot from the changes within our schools and with administration changing over quite a bit in the last few years that I've been at the high school level. I think we've had a different administrator. I've been here 8 years and I've probably gone through 4 administrators as far as principals and even vice principals. I have no interest in becoming a principal. I am more interested in becoming a vice principal. I feel they have a little more access to being involved with the kids and the staff. Principal tends to, at least in my district, be a little more behind closed doors. I want to be out there. I want to be able to motivate and help our staff and students. I feel that I can make a great impact with our teachers and students. So that's why I'm looking at going into administration. As far as some of my strengths and weaknesses with finance, I've been in charge of the library budget since I became a librarian 23 years ago. So I definitely have some training to deal with budgets as far as, how the spending needs to go, what needs to be purchased, what are essentials, what are not essentials. I've also done the advising budget when I was an advisor, and of course my own personal finances, and even as a driving instructor I have to deal with all the finances on my part when submitting it to my boss. So I think I have a lot of experience with it. However, my weakness is that I've never dealt with a whole school budget, and in a high school with 3,000 students and 250 teachers, that's a pretty big budget to deal with. My goal is to be at the high school level, so I hope to learn a lot in this class to help me with learning how to deal with the finances in a bigger scale compared to just my library budget. So that's a little about me, and I look forward to taking this class. Thank you.